Hi y'all, today I'm going to be making some liquid laundry detergent. I've made this recipe before, but it's been a little while, so I've decided I'm going to tweak it a little bit this time, make a few changes. Okay, so here we've got Arm & Hammer washing soda, borax, and for the soap I'm using Zote. The bar was like 87 cents at the local store. It smells really good, like citronella. It's easy to grate. Some people will cut it into chunks, but I find that it melts a little bit better this way. So I'm going to put that in the water first and let that melt before we put in the borax and the washing soda. And after that's all mixed up, melted and everything, I'm going to put in a full ounce of the lemon essential oil. Lemon is my scent of choice, and it's easy to get. Local hobby store, they have them with candy extracts and stuff, and a lot of times they'll carry the essential oil as well. Okay, now that the soap was all completely dissolved, we put in the cup of borax and washing soda. It's 1 cup each. Sorry for the fogging the steam on the lens. Anyway, I've turned the heat off and we're going to let this cool off a little bit, and then it's going to be poured into a 5-gallon bucket, and then we'll top the rest of that with water, and then you add your essential oil, and then after you add that you get a long spoon or a stick or something and just mix that up a little bit, and then you're going to let it sit for about 24 hours before you use it. So we'll see what it looks like again tomorrow at the 24-hour mark, and then we'll start washing laundry. Okay, so we have poured the soap mixture into a 5-gallon bucket and topped it all off with water. Some people use hot. I just used regular tap water to help it cool off a little bit. And so now, after I added all the water, I put in the essential oil, the whole jar, 1 ounce of the lemon, and it smells really good. I love lemon smell. So we're going to let this sit for a full 24 hours, and then we'll come back and see how it has congealed, and then we'll start using it. Okay, so it has actually been a little more than 24 hours since I made this. This is the liquid laundry detergent I made, and it's been sitting here cooling off and congealing a little more than a day. So let's stir it up and see what it looks like. I just took the lid off. Oh wow, look at that. That looks pretty good. Stir it up a little bit to get the rest of the water all mixed in. It kind of separated a little bit, but it should be really good. And again, you can after it sits for the 24 hours, you can thin it down even more, up to 50% more with water, but I might just use a little less each time and not thin it down. So there we go. Some of the bigger clumps are coming to the top. We'll get those mixed in and then start running laundry again. Yeah, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.